So here we are with our blank document, and the very first thing I'm going to show you is how to save this document. So the first thing I recommend is going to your desktop and creating a new folder, because you need to have somewhere to save these. If you prefer, you can go down to your file manager in the left-hand corner and you can create a new folder there, for instance in your document panel. But for the purposes of making it super simple for you, I'm just going to show you. If you right click on the screen and you go to new, and this might be a little different depending on the computer or operating system you have, but you go to folder, and that creates a new folder. And then I'm just going to call this Excel Examples. Click enter, and there's your folder right there, ready to save your work into. So now you can go back to your Excel spreadsheet, and you can say go to File and Save As, and now it's going to ask you where you want to save it. I'm going to navigate in this left column to my desktop, and there's my folder, Excel Examples. So I'm going to click on that. It shows that that's empty, and it automatically names it Book 1, but I don't want it to be called Book 1. I want it to be called Kitchen Remodel Costs, because that's what we're going to eventually create. And then I'm going to save that. And now this is, you can see now it's titled Kitchen Remodel Costs. So whenever I click Save, the little save icon up here, it's going to save this as Kitchen Remodel Costs, and I don't have to worry about accidentally closing it without saving my work or anything like that. But before we get into creating an actual kitchen remodeling cost worksheet, I'm just going to show you some very basic functions and techniques that you can use that you'll be able to use in almost any spreadsheet that you decide to create.